You make a nyol yo ko, wako ya pag nyo, mo pa buto bucho mga pati tu ho.
Hi guys, today my name is Noza and today I'm gonna eat this, that, and milk. Today we're gonna start it and eat.
In the movie. They recorded it, they put it together. Wow, they have
Could you pass me the table? Get Charlie too.
down the back, I need to shut the fuck up.
Get on! This is tteokbokki and it's very good. And it's very spicy. Here. Here's this, it's not spicy. It's sweet.
It's sweet, I told you. I'm so taste. You're not too old. Yeah.
So here is the noodle from the tteokbokki, and it's very good and very sweet. It kind of tastes like bread. It smells like bread, and it smells very good.
Because everything smells so good, then so good. You know, like this.
And I also have this, and it tastes very good. Noodles. These ribs are so hard.
Wait, I think it's over again. Yeah? Question mark.
Where your dad? I need tissue. I need tissue. Give me some tteokbokki. Wait, what does that the tteokbokki noodle taste like?
Yeah.
Oh.
Joy is so slow. Not even that spicy.
What is Dana doing?
No, that.
We almost finished. Ow. Sure. Milk. I need milk. That's all. This one?
It's okay.
Get your cocoa.
Coco?
This is dry. It's dry.
I didn't
So it's
know
kind of
that.
hard to swallow. You know? And also it's not even hot.
He's finish that shit in 1
Cool
second.
down. Cool down fast.
Yeah, it's not spicy.
It's not that spicy.
Yeah, because we are done this thing. Are done. Okay, this one are done.
Okay. Say your goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye guys. Till next time.
Rest of the call, but for the loop, burn out, cause I got put out with, but we burn, so put the hay, we broke in your don't need our way.